What's going on? It's your boy Damian Dupee, your number one off-market land specialist, hyper focused on the infield lots. You are now tuned into the We Are Land Specialist YouTube channel, where I'm your host Damian Dupee, and this channel is all about finding vacant land, flipping vacant land, and assigning vacant land. So if there's something you're interested in, you are now in the right place. If this is your first time here, I want to welcome you. Thank you so much for coming to check me out. Really appreciate it. Please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing, and I really would appreciate that. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be talking about a plug that I found that answers the phone for people who send a direct mail. Okay. All right. So this only works for people who send a direct mail. I found a plug. The name of the company is called Answer Force, and they're running a sweet promotion right now. And basically the promotion is when I refer someone, they receive 300 minutes for 2 months at $20 a month. Plus, we both receive a $150 credit on our account. All right. And let me just tell you why I think this is valuable to someone who sends direct mail, because it allows you to try their services out for 2 months. I think their 300-minute plan is somewhere in the neighborhood of like $300 or somewhere like that. I can look that up for you. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you some good news. So you may be asking, how do I get connected? So the 200-minute plan is $279 and the 300-minute plan is $389. So that's an epic wow value you're gonna get straight off the rip. So if you want to get plugged into this service, I'm gonna give you a phone number to call. Her name is Paula, Paula. Just say Damian sent you with Dominion Land Group, and she gonna get you straight. All right. So the number is 1-866-542-0496. If you stay to the end, I'll leave it at the end. I'll let you listen to a couple of their calls just to see how they handle my calls inside of my business. Again, this is a live account. As you can see, leads are coming in. A lead just came in. As you can see, they do a decent job with answering the calls. This is 24/7, okay? So if you get 13 calls that come in at one time, they have enough agents to route it, and that way you won't miss calls, okay? I can't afford not to have this service in my business because as of today, I think I just sent 20,000 pieces. So, I mean, you're getting anywhere from 100 to 150 calls. So as you can see, I sent 19,700 postcards, okay? So with that amount of calls coming in, I cannot be able to juggle that many calls. So that's why this phone service comes in handy, and that way it can be a good fit. Another reason why I like this phone service is they have where you can upgrade and downgrade your billing plan inside the cycle. Okay, so let's just say I'm inside the cycle right now and I need to upgrade. All I do is go here, and boom. I can do it immediately on next billing cycle. So that's very, very important that you don't have to call no one. And also another epic wow feature of this service is they have what you call a low utilization plan. And let me explain to you what that means. All right, so for $20 a month, you can go on this plan and you only pay $2 a minute, okay? All right, so again, I think it's $1.95, but I think it's $2 a minute. So basically, if you're only getting, let's just say 10 calls, and your average calls are 3 minutes, so that's 30 minutes. So instead of you getting into a plan of 200 minutes, which is $279, you can use the low utilization plan if you're not sending as much mail, okay? So that is another, they don't advertise that. So that's something that you need to know, because they do not advertise they have a low utilization plan to keep your phone on, so that you will not have to pay for like a 200-minute plan and you only use 30, let's just say 60 of the minutes, if you will, okay? All right, so these minutes do not roll over. I repeat, if you get a 200-minute plan and you only use 100 of those minutes within that billing cycle, this does not roll over. So it's good that you know that. The way I have mine set up, I'll basically show you right now. If you can see over here, this is where I send my mail at on the left-hand side. This is Pebble. So inside of Pebble, they have what we call these lead forms, okay? All right, and so you can create a lead form, and basically these are the questions that, as you can see, Answer Force asks the clients, okay? All right, and so basically if I wanted to see this form, you know, you just click on it right there, and every time they submit this form, it goes inside of Pebble, which is awesome. So that's basically how mine is set up. If you do not have Pebble, you just need to get some type of web form. That's basically what you need. So Blue Cat has web forms. Blue Cat, I think that's the name of it. I thought that was the name of it. Maybe not. All right, so just Google free web forms. All right, so as you can see, there's a couple free ones here. Web form builder. Google Forms, you can do it inside of a Google form. Okay, probably gonna be the easiest one. Probably gonna be free. So you create a form in Google Form, and then basically you would give it to Answer Force, and basically your rep will complete that form, and wherever you have that form going, that's where the information is going to show up. So listen, hope you got some value from that. Again, I'm going to give you Miss Paula number one more time in case you're trying to get set up with the promo that they have. I repeat, the promo is you get 2 months of 300 minutes at $20 a month, plus you get a $150 credit, and I'll receive a $150 credit. All right, this number is 1-866-542-0496, and I'm gone like a wind. Peace.